Hey everybody, come out to one of my favorite fishing spots here, overlooking the Indian River. But that's not a fishing video today. It's actually an unboxing video. Stick this down in here like this, and let's see what we got. This package here is from a good friend of mine named Pam. And she's got herself a YouTube channel as well, Pam's Great Outdoors. And she was kind enough to send me this really cool package. And I don't know what's in it. I don't know what to expect. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. Let's find our tapey spot here. There we go. That should do the trick, I think, right? Let's see what Pam was kind enough to send me. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Check it out. She got me a little sugar skull. Look at this guy. She must have found out I like Skeletor. Let's see. Oh, it lights up. Lights up. I don't know if you can see that or not. But either way, no, I like it. It's great. Look at a sweet little sugar skull. Look at his mustache. I like it. Alright, cool. Thank you, Pam. I appreciate that. Make sure there's nothing else in here. I got some newspapers. Let's see what was going on in the world at the time she sent this. This was... Oh, these are... Oh, look. She gave me the funnies. Alright, look at there. Some puzzles and stuff. Alright, I'll play with that. Thank you once again, Pam. That's really cool. Hey, man. And the Skeletor went a little fancy here with the flowers and everything. No, he's awesome. Thank you. Let's see what else is in that package that another good friend of mine sent me. This one is from a YouTuber friend of mine. Jason's out there. He's got a really cool YouTube channel. He's a really smart guy, really into music, and we get along really, really well. We have pretty much the same taste in music and everything like that. So let's see here. See what my boy sent me. Let's see, got this tape. This out here. I think I opened it far enough, right? Oh, looks like I gotta open up some more tape here. No idea what I'm doing, huh? All right. There we go. All right, let's see what... Oh, look. Looks like packets of something. Oh wow, these are really, really nice. Check that out. Some packet gourmets. Yeah, these will come in handy on the camping trips. Oops. On those camping trips. Yeah, these are supposed to be really, really good. So yeah, those are fantastic. Thank you, Jason. I appreciate that. There's a couple more in here. This one is eggs with sausage. Oh, excuse me. And the first one is shepherd's pie. I love a good shepherd's pie. And this is eggs with sausage. Let's see. Texas State Fair chili. All right, fantastic. Thank you so much, Jay. I appreciate that. Oh, there's a sticker in here. Man, it fell on the ground. This is Routine Head. All right, that's a band that I believe he's affiliated with. I'm not sure if he's actually in that band, but he said that there's some stickers in there that have something to do with a really cool band. So there you go. All right. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate that very much, man. That's all right. I'm gonna put these packet gourmets to good use. I promise. All right. Now let's see if we can catch some fish. Sweet. I'm gonna put this on the Jeep. Well, those gifts are very nice. I very much appreciate that. Thank you so much. And if any of you guys want to send me a nice care package or anything like that, I'll put my P.O. box in the description. But yeah, so let's see if we can catch some fish tonight. Alright guys, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for watching and take care.